Live View. The Live View screen is the default screen you'll see when powering on your DVR. It displays basic information, including the camera's name, as well as date and time information. You can access other menus by right-clicking with the mouse to bring up the quick menu. If you double-click with the left mouse button, you will be taken to a separate view which displays several cameras. Double-click on another channel to make it full screen. On the multi-channel view, you can also click and drag channels to change their positions.